Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can crop a video or footage on CapCut. So you can see I'm on my CapCut and I have this footage. To crop a footage or scene in CapCut, all you have to do is select the footage that you want to crop and right click on your mouse, right click and go to this edit section, edit, and inside the edit here is the crop ratio option. From here you can hover your mouse and you can do this like this and do like this, click confirm. From here what you can do is that if you watch this video there is a blank page because we just cropped it. So to make this okay, all we have to do is select the footage that you just cropped, go to this video and basic and scroll down, and here is to go to this canvas section and from none to select blur and choose this. So from this here you will see the background is covered with blur part. So this is how you crop a footage inside CapCut.